we are in the dining room, about to eat some pizza with mushrooms. Took my first bite, it was really good. Shall I take another? Yeah, I should.
I go to Hollywood to the beach. Yeah, it's got a boardwalk. But check it. Yo! I love your car, man. This is Fort Lauderdale, baby. It's probably a rental. Okay, so Los Olas. Everybody talks about it's a rental. You know what? Even if it is a rental, I'm happy for that guy and I'm happy for his girl. So, we always talk about Miami beaches, but here we are in Fort Lauderdale. And you know, honestly, who the heck even knew that Los Olas even existed? I didn't even know. But the thing is that Fort Lauderdale has a lot to offer you. You know, it's just such a hot day out. We're gonna go inside that ocean and go get refreshed. I could definitely feel the salt water inside my eyes. Wow, that was a refreshing dip. Fort Lauderdale. Wow, ooh, out of breath. They definitely have the beaches and the place to chill. What could I say? The beach at Los Olas, Fort Lauderdale, they definitely have the good time over there. But you know, I'm gonna show you guys one of those hidden treasures in Los Olas, Fort Lauderdale Beach. All right, thank you guys so much. This is awesome. The 5-layer gelati. Enjoy. Thanks. Wow, just look at this. Right on the Los Olas beach. This is insane. Okay, let's get started. All right, so we got ourselves the ice cream, the mango, and the pineapple. This is no better way. And I just want to say this right in front of Ben & Jerry's. Thank God I went with Rita's. You're an amazing company, Rita's. But Ben & Jerry's, all you do is disappoint. Israel haters. All right, guys, so if I had to rate that 5-layer at Rita's, I'm gonna give it a strong 9 out of 10. The mango, the pineapple, the custard. Rita's, baby. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And when you're down in Fort Lauderdale, hit up Los Olas Boulevard, baby. Peace.